Daily household activities with simple present tense. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Vacuum the floor. Vacuum the floor. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Dust the furniture. Dust the furniture. Make the bed. Make the bed. Change the bed sheet. Change the bed sheets. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Clean the bathroom. Clean the bathroom. Clean the kitchen. Clean the kitchen. Cook dinner. Cook dinner. Organize the pantry. Organize the pantry. Water the plants. Water the plants. Wash the windows. Wash the windows. Feed the pets. Feed the pets. Tidy up the living room. Tidy up the living room.